Good afternoon, this is Bob Iacchino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Talking FX futures, let's talk yen a little bit. The yen was really flat today, down a couple of basis points, but it had things going in both directions, most of them good. The thing that was the worst for it was a little bit of a rebound in the dollar index. But first, let's look at the TPP, the Trans-Pacific Partnership. President Trump has a committee looking at potentially re-entering, so he's entertaining the idea of re-entering the TPP. Remember, that's one of the first things he did as president, was he withdrew the United States from the Trans-Pacific Partnership under much negative fanfare. I don't know if that's actually a good term, but it was widely covered by the news. Again, one of the first things he did, and now he's talking about re-entering it. The countries involved in the TPP said they would welcome the U.S., but they weren't willing to renegotiate any of the terms. That would be good for Japan in general, and probably good for the yen overall over time. Also, Japan got upgraded in terms of their credit rating by S&P. S&P moved their economic credit rating from stable to a buy, basically, to an economic growth scenario. So S&P doing that is usually good for the currency, and again, probably helped the yen in terms of not losing too much to the dollar today or to any of the other majors that it trades against. S&P doesn't do these upgrades that often, and a credit upgrade to Japan is definitely news. Now, lastly, the dollar index, first down week in 3, even though it was up today. The little up move we've seen a couple up days in a row from the dollar, still ended up with a down week, and we're still down 7 of the last 11 weeks. So first down week in the last 3 as the dollar had been gaining, up day, but down 7 of the last 11. Really, when you look at the dollar index, it hasn't gone far at all after that initial sort of downdraft that we got in January from the Trump and Mnuchin comments about having potentially a weaker dollar to help offset some of the trade deficit issues. So a flat yen, but a lot of interesting things happening in the yen currencies today. This is Bob Iacchino talking currency futures from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.